This is a big, beautiful country up north. It's Canada. Can you say Canada? This leaf is on the Canadian flag. It's a maple leaf. Can you say maple leaf? This flag is red and white with a leaf. It's the Canadian flag. Can you say Canadian flag? This animal builds dams and is a symbol of Canada. It's a beaver. Can you say beaver? This big animal has very large antlers. It's a moose. Can you say moose? This white bear lives in the Canadian North. It's a polar bear. Can you say polar bear? This sweet syrup comes from trees in Canada. It's maple syrup. Can you say maple syrup? Canadians love to play this sport on ice. It's hockey. Can you say hockey? This special police officer wears a red uniform. It's a Mountie. Can you say Mountie? This yummy Canadian food has fries, cheese, and gravy. It's poutine. Can you say poutine? You paddle this boat on Canadian lakes. It's a canoe. Can you say canoe? This bird is on the Canadian dollar coin. It's a loon. Can you say loon? These light up the sky on Canada Day. It's fireworks. Can you say fireworks? These are the colors of the Canadian flag. It's red and white. Can you say red and white? This is the national anthem of Canada. It's O Canada. Can you say O Canada?